Hi strangers! I have got my son here today. We're really excited. We've been looking around on the internet for Halloween stuff, like you do.
Yes, we have.
What did you spot online?
We spotted that Build-A-Bear has got some new mini limited time bears.
And were they Halloween?
Yes.
And what kind of things do you normally collect from Build-A-Bear?
The same thing that the bears were.
Do you want to go get your other ones to show everyone what you normally collect? If you don't know already, my son is a big collector. He has collected the last 2 years of the special edition Halloween bear. It's his favourite. He's named them all, and we were shopping online and he spotted something really cool, which I haven't never seen before. So we were very excited and decided to go out and check out to see if they had any in the store today. So this is his collection so far, and we're really hoping to get a miniature one of these guys. So come with us, let's go shopping. Let's go look and see if we can find the mini Halloween special edition teddy.
Okay.
Hi strangers, we are out and about today. We are in the mall and we are going to go look for the new Build-A-Bear Halloween edition teddy bear. And I'm with my boy. Say hi, Ben. Hi. I'm with my boy and we're out. We've been to the pound shop and already found something that's Halloween. Found a Halloween bag. We're eating sweets and crisps, and then we're gonna go and check out Build-A-Bear and see if there's any Halloween bears in today. So come with us and let's go check it out. Quick look in Claire's to see if they got any Halloween stuff in here. They do sometimes have Halloween stuff, but we did spot some Wednesday Addams things here. Purple and glittery. But that's all they had, sadly.
Pikachu! Pika Pika!
Plushy one!
Yes!
Look at these!
Oh, it's a froggy! It's froggy!
There is a bat! And a Frankenstein! And a pumpkin!
It's a froggy!
still ask at the till, okay?
Oh wait, you paid for the last one.
I did.
So I have all my money still.
You still have. I take the bag and you can get your money out. This one is so.
So your total is
Annual Halloween Tessie, you got it. Yeah. Good job you got your pocket money in time.
Yeah, I think they're gonna be a bit. I think they're only available for. Did you want a receipt? No thanks. There you go. Have a look.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Okay, you go outside and put your change away, yeah?
Yeah, you can tell me.
Go outside and put it in your wallet then, can't we?
What did you say? Talk.
And say, excuse me now, okay?
Sorry, my darling.
Maybe she doesn't want a
Oops. You got your change? Okay, go on then.
Luckily, I found I dropped.
Yes.
Luckily, I held it.
Okay, excuse me. So how was town?
Great.
And what happened?
We did find
What did we find?
the miniature bear.
And we have got a haul to show you of what
Yes.
we found in Build-A-Bear. Let's have a look inside the bag and you can show everyone what you brought with your special pocket money
So
on your annual Halloween teddy bear shopping trip.
first, the Halloween
Look
teddy
at that! They had the whole collection there, didn't they? They had a werewolf and they
Yes,
had,
they did.
what else? Can you remember what else they had?
They had a bunny with
Pumpkins? Was it pumpkins?
no skulls on its ears.
Okay, yep.
And there was a werewolf
Yep.
and a bat, I think.
Yeah, and there was a weird one, wasn't there, with one
Yes,
eye?
there
Did you
was-
see that one?
yeah, I think it was a cyclops.
Yeah, there was. So, what else did you get? So, you got the, one of the special minis
Yes.
to go with
a
your collection.
limited time.
Yeah.
And the biggest, softest one.
Check this out.
CVS.
Oh, let's turn her around. Look at this. So, there's really cute. What was his name on the tag?
Zombie.
A zombie. How cute is that? So you got two things today,
Yes.
didn't you? And how much was zombie?
£18.
And how much was your mini special pumpkin?
£8.
So this one was £8 and this one was £18. But if we did buy a normal teddy, they were only £10. So we had a really great day, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Thank you so much for coming along and watching my video today. And I will see you next time. And please don't forget.
Be weird.
Be yourself. And be different. Because otherwise,
You're just
boring.
boring.
Goodbye.
Bye.